An important topic covered in the 2023 Davis4Health Community Health Assessment under Social and Economic Factors is violence and abuse. This section starts on page 227 and includes data and information on child abuse, bullying, elder abuse, domestic abuse, sexual abuse, sextortion, human trafficking, and community supports and resources. Violence and abuse occurs in Davis County to people of all ages. Violence is the intentional use of physical force or power, threatened or actual, that either results in or has a high likelihood of resulting in injury, death, poor mental health, delayed development, or hardship. This can be directed at oneself, another person, or against a group or community. Domestic abuse is abusive behavior used by one person over another to gain or maintain power and control in a familial or intimate relationship. Abuse can be physical, sexual, emotional, psychological, financial, technological, spiritual, and stalking. This includes behaviors that intimidate, manipulate, humiliate, isolate, frighten, terrorize, coerce, threaten, blame, hurt, injure, or wound someone. Understanding the scope of abuse is difficult since it is underreported for many reasons that include fear, not being believed, not knowing where to report, family disruption, and not recognizing abuse signs. The data shows nearly 1 in 2 Davis County adults report having experienced some form of abuse, whether it's physical, sexual, or emotional, when they were a child. In 2021, law enforcement reported to 1,211 incidents of domestic abuse in Davis County. Also in 2021, APS received 736 reports of elder abuse in Davis County. The two most common allegations were emotional abuse and financial exploitation, followed by caretaker neglect. The average age of the victim was 65 years old. Violence and abuse are preventable, and there are laws, resources, and support in place to help those experiencing them. Davis County has an abuse prevention work group that meets monthly, and there is a statewide momentum to address abuse prevention through societal change. Utah law requires any person that suspects abuse or neglect to report their suspicions to law enforcement or either the Division of Child and Family Services or Adult Protective Services, depending on the age of the victim. Stay tuned to learn more about social and economic factors in Davis County coming up in our next video. To learn more, please visit cha.davis4health.org. Please send us an email if you have any questions.